Good afternoon. I hope you're still awake at this hour. Okay. So, just like the speakers before me, I would like to introduce Air 21. We are headed by our chairman of the board, Mr. Bert Lina. We are a 100% Filipino-owned company, headquartered in Parañaque City in Manila. We have over 32 years of experience in the logistics industry. Most of our companies under the Lina Group of companies are involved in the supply chain, and we employ about 2,300 employees nationwide. And then about 2 or 3 years ago, we decided to expand Air 21 into what we call the Air 21 Global, headed here by our President and CEO, Ms. Sheila Lina. This attempts to put the Philippines into the forefront of the global e-commerce arena through its flagship project, the Shopinas.com. Okay, so our management has decided the corporate strategy that we followed around 10 years ago is to make effective use of information technology to drive efficiency in the supply chain. So I'm going to share with you how we do business in the back end. So this is how we do things at the back so that we will be able to deliver our services in the most efficient manner. So during booking and pickup, our customer service agent receives calls from clients. So this is not the only avenue that we receive the booking information. We also do API, just like Send, and we also have direct interface with some of our clients who have capability to interface with the system of Air 21. And then the booking information is automatically reflected in our dispatch system. For Shopinas.com, we have an interface where we receive the booking information directly from their system without any human intervention. And of course, we know that the dispatching process is not exactly rocket science, but it's not also an exact science. So we still have dispatchers to review the booking information, and then once this is reviewed and verified, we send the information to the courier through a form of a pickup instruction to the courier through an SMS. We send it via our SMS host system. And then our couriers that are on the road, we deploy to them what we call the CN3 and CN70 Intermex scanners that are capable of transmitting information on real-time basis through GPRS and SMS. So once the courier receives the pickup instruction, they acknowledge it using the device, and then they proceed to the client's premises to pick up the goods. Okay, during the delivery phase, at the start of the ship, the courier downloads the reference data and delivery manifest into the mobile device. So we already do the manifesting beforehand. And then we do delivery and scanning of the packages. And then we transmit it on real-time basis via GPRS. And when GPRS signal is not available, we transmit it via SMS. Again, this is without any human intervention. And then it automatically gets saved into our back-end database where it's being used as information necessary for our web tracking. And then we do automatic SMS and email notification both on the consignee and the shipper. We also have this Air 21 mobile apps that we launched a year ago so that you will be able to track the shipment of the status of the shipment. And then some areas in the Philippines would not have this good signal. So what we do is at the end of the ship, whenever they go back to the station, as a matter of procedure, they would download the information from the mobile device to the system workstation. So this is how our mobile apps looks like. It's available on Android phones and iPhone. You can do tracking, you can do rate calculation, and you can also find where we are situated all over the country to our locator finder. What is the integrated mobile application? This is the application that we use at the back end to provide information on the shipment of the status as the packages are moved from the shipper to the consignee. So we use a 3-in-1 handheld device combining the features and capabilities of a cellular mobile phone a barcode scanner and a data collector in one piece. So we capture the critical information right at the point where data is created and practically eliminates manual encoding of the shipment update. Okay, so I'll skip over this. This is how our scanner looks like, and these are the modules that we use in the device. This is just a screenshot of how we do a data capture of the proof of delivery. And if you notice over here, we capture also the signature of the client. So when we launched this about 3 years ago, there's been a drastic drop in the disputes that we receive from our customers because whenever they dispute that they did not receive the shipment, we just show them the proof, which is the signature that is saved in the database. Okay, so what does it do for us? We adhered to our committed delivery times that resulted in increased customer satisfaction, and we have visibility and transparency in operations by providing this automatic notification to clients on status of shipments on real-time basis without any human intervention. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Teresita Esma.